Hey, we're back, folks. We've had great success in posting today. I've gotten three films done. One that I had laid up last night that I did um, post early this morning, and that was just on Wet and Rainy. And then also did a small short, what I call a bumper of announcing that something's coming. I did one called The Brain Coming Soon, and that's part of my series that I'm working on up on my Second Life platform. And I just posted one about the Sunday morning report, and that's something I'm trying to shoot for every Sunday as a post, and this will be the first and hopefully of many. But right now I'm sitting here. I just filmed the four shots of the kitchen, and now I'm gonna go in. I don't think you want to see me rustle around in the kitchen too much, but I will be in there doing it, and I'll be popping off some quick short shots. I'm also going to show you the different atmospheres that I can create with lighting. And I've got four very nice, two umbrellas and two diffuser boxes or diffuser umbrellas that are more square, and they have a cover on it so it diffuses the light. And I'm going to say about where and where I can project those up at and see how everything shows up. So that's one of my tasks for tonight is start with some interesting lighting and see what type of effects we can get. But I've got another new member to the audience. It's kind of a loud one. Doesn't talk yet, but as you can see here, this is a old portable megaphone, and I'm going to post this up on the internet and see if anybody knows anything about it. It's liking battery power, so I have to diddle with it a bit. Wouldn't that be ironic to give it back to Rick and say, "Hey, Rick, I'll pay you to go ahead and fix this up and get it working." Um, doesn't hurt to ask. He likes to work on things. Anyways, that's a keeper for me here because that scares away any unwanted beings that are around. They come around, and people that can't hear me. Then I can talk into the microphone. It has a mic right here, as you can see. Well, barely, as you can barely see. It's pretty heavy duty. Car 54, where are you? Now this is Whiskey X-Ray Kilo 4719er. Come in. Roger that. That's my old call signs for. I had a wooden boat named the Kalani. Anyways, let me get this off. This is really I'm just faking it right now. I'll put that up there. Put that there for now. And I'll text Rick and see if he wants to put it together. You know, he would be the one I would trust. Anyways, my nose for some reason is peeling. I think it's because I don't use a scrubby or something. Should maybe use a scrubby on my face a little bit more. Oh, I see Duke just walked up. The Duke, is it Duke? No, it's Luke. Jake. Yeah. Now go play, guys. Go play. Yes, that's it. T-Lux are taking them to go play. So, anyways, I hope they'll go play. But we'll be starting on the kitchen here pretty soon. I'm gonna make up the dogs' dishes first. I have a recital to go to. It's a dance done by a friend of mine that I absolutely love her art in Machinima, and I've been able to be a guest in film, and I might even film there tonight. I don't know. We'll just see how it feels, but anyways, she was nice enough to invite me, and so not many people invite me. They usually want me out of their way. I don't know what it is, but I rubbed some people wrong. I guess so. But, you rub me wrong, I'm going to rub you wrong, I guess. If I rub you wrong, change the channel, by all means, because I ain't going to change. But with that said, I'm going to leave the rest of this time to do a little R&R in the kitchen. So I will be back to you folks. This is Jeff Whitney Duel at the Dogtrot, bringing you another Sunday evening Life at the Dogtrot Project Kitchen. Thank you.